Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to talk about the most popular data type in Python, which is strings. So strings are the most popular types in Python. We can create them simply by enclosing characters in the quotes. Python treats single quotes as the same as the double quotes. Creating string is an assigning a value to a variable. So in this given example, we are assigning the string value to a variable by using the assignment operators, and we are enclosing the string in the single quotes or the double quotes. Let me show you how to create a string. So this is the Python command line. So for creating the string, we just have to assign a string value to a variable. So in this case, our variable name will be a. Use the assignment operator equal to and single quotes or double quotes, the string which is apple. We can also use the single quotes here, orange. To validate these, just print both the variables. As you can see, this is how you create string in Python. The next topic is multi-line strings. So we can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using the three quotes. We can use the 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes as given in this example. Let me show you how to create multi-line strings with some simple exercise. For this, just follow the same procedure. So in this case, the variable name will be var1, assignment operator which is equal to, and just use the 3 quotes. So in this case, we are using the 3 single quotes, and just type Python is a, on the next line, easy to understand. Again hit the enter, programming language. So to end the string, we again have to use the 3 single quotes. So as you can see, here is our multi-line string. So press enter. Now our variable has been declared with a multi-line string. To validate this, just print var1 after hitting enter. As you can see, our multi-line string has been assigned to the var1 variable. We can also use the 3 double quotes to assign the multi-line string to a variable. So in this case, we will create var2 equal to sign, and in this case we will use the 3 double quotes. To end this multi-line string, again use the 3 double quotes, enter, and to validate these, just print var2. As you can see, we can also use the 3 double quotes. The next and the most important topics in strings is accessing the values. Python does not support a character type, so these are treated as string of length 1, thus also considered as a substring. To access substring, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain your substring. So here are some examples. In this case, there are 2 variables that we have declared. One is hello world and second is Python programming. So in this first example, we are fetching the 0th place of the A1 string. So in this case, the 0 place is H, so it will print the H letter. And in the second example, we are accessing the 1 to 5 letters from our string. So in this case, we will assign 2 variables with a string value. So our first string will be A1 having the string hello world, and the second is A2 and the string is Python programming. In the first example, we will print the first letter from the A1 string. So the first letter here is H. For this, we have to use the print function. So just type print, and in bracket our variable name will be A1. We have to use the square bracket for accessing the values in string. So in this case, we have to print the H. So it belongs to the 0th place. So we will give 0 in the square bracket after hitting enter. As you can see, we are getting the H letter from our A1 string. Similarly, we can access any character from the string by using the same code. So in this case, we will fetch the second letter. So just give 1. As you can see, we are getting the second letter in our string. In the next example, if you want more number of characters from the string, we just have to separate it by the colon. If you want the letters from Y to N, for that we just have to use the print function again. Just print and use the A2 variable, and in square bracket we have to give the position of the first letter that we want. So in this case the position of Y is 1, and separate these two values by using the colon. And our second value, if you want the letters from Y to O, we have to give the position of the next letter instead of that. Position of the next letter is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the position of the next letter is 5. So we will give 5 here. After hitting enter, as you can see, we are getting the letters starting from 1 to 4. I hope you got the clear idea what is a string data type in Python. And also we have seen the subtopics in string such as multiline and accessing the values in string with some simple examples. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.